Namaskar friends, welcome to the third vlog of the Taiwan series. I'm having breakfast here at the Cosmos Hotel where I am staying. It's a buffet breakfast. This is the mango coconut spread, which is unique to Taiwan, I guess. And this is the continental stuff they have. Variety of juices, coffee machine, and this is what I took. Some omelette, star fruit, red guava, and congee. It's nothing but our ganji. This is the brown sugar bun. It's pretty unique, which I have not tasted before. It's very spongy and soft. This is how it looks from inside. So you need to keep this placard when you are having breakfast. So after breakfast I am back into the room and just playing some Bollywood songs in the AI speaker. I booked a day trip from Agoda from Taipei to go to the northern coast of Taiwan. The pickup point here is at the East Gate 3 of Taipei main station. It's a local operator which is conducting this tour. I paid about 1950 Indian rupees, which was quite reasonable for a day long trip. So they take you in an air conditioned coach like this. It's about an hour's journey. The first stop will be Yehliu Geopark. So there is a English speaking tour guide with us throughout the tour. The good part is she is explaining both in Mandarin and in English. Today is March 15th, 2025, Saturday, and unfortunately it's been a rainy day, rainy morning in fact. So we are about to reach the Yehliu Geopark. It took about 45 minutes from Taipei city. This is the seashore. The entrance ticket is already covered in this tour. This is the map of the Geopark. The tour guide is explaining about the different locations. This is the boba tea, which was also included in the tour. I got to sip the Taiwanese signature boba tea here. The Yehliu Geopark is famous for its honeycomb and mushroom rock formations eroded by the sea. That's the East China Sea, which you can see from a distance, and these are the rock formations which are the specialities of this geopark. This is the 3D view of the geopark. So these are the rock formations from the close-up. These are the honeycomb and mushroom rock formations, and the most prominent among them is the Queen's Head, which you can see from the distance. I couldn't actually go near the Queen's Head because it's been raining. That's the East China Sea, a close-up view of the sea actually, and that's the walkway. So it's a huge park, and on a pleasant day you can just spend walking across this park actually. So these are the steps leading to the Queen's Head. This is the panoramic view of the geopark. the Queen's Head from the distance. That's the one with the circle. And this is the Queen's Head too. So this is our tour bus for today. After the Geopark visit, we are now heading to Jiufen Old Street, which is another heritage site and a must visit if you are in Taiwan. It's been raining all the way here today. This is the Jiufen Old Street, which is an historical walking street, you can call. It has a series of shops that are lined up like this. Lots of eateries and shopping to be done here. You can taste authentic Taiwanese food over here too. This is the first shop which our tour guide brought us. It's about different types of seafoods that are available here. One can purchase anything of interest to him or her. And here I am at the peanut ice cream roll shop, where they are selling peanut based ice cream roll. This is the one. This is 50 Taiwanese dollars for a large piece, which they split into two and give it. Quite tasty. Here are the various shops selling fresh dishes like crabs and other meat. There are various souvenir shops too, where you can buy some souvenirs made in Taiwan. This is one of the shops selling crab meat, and here are the various souvenir shops. I think we can bargain too over here. And this is the Grandma Lay's sweet taro balls. It's a signature Taiwanese dish, vegetarian dish in fact. In this spot you get a panoramic view of the mountains behind. Jiufen is situated amidst the mountains, hence the weather is pretty cold over here. In fact, there is a little bit of wind chill too. I came over to a restaurant called Yehliu Cafe in the old street itself and got myself this sesame oil noodles along with oyster mushrooms, which was quite yum. This is vegetarian noodles. So they have given oyster mushrooms. Overall, a very nice meal I had here. So it's been raining throughout. I'm waiting for others in the group to board the bus from Jiufen Old Street. It's actually no traffic day today because it's a weekend. So they have their own buses where we need to board one of them to get to the tour bus boarding point. It's foggy as well. Just boarded their bus, and that bus dropped us to this parking lot where our tour bus was waiting for us, and we are now headed to the next sightseeing destination, which will be Shifen Old Street. I think this is one of the towns that we reached on the way, and we are nearing Shifen now, passing through a tunnel. The tunnels are quite lengthy.
Each of the deliveries is worth $50. So one day you can collect in 50, you can earn 2,500 in cash. Okay, so that's a so. 所以哈，那个地上如果有残骸，你 go first, go this way.
Just reached the parking lot here. We have to walk a bit to reach that point where the sky lanterns are released. So we are walking to that old street. It's actually a railway track where the sky lanterns are released. So essentially you have to write some prayer on this, or a wish actually, and then they will release the lantern into the sky. And this was also included in our tour, so we didn't have to pay anything extra. This is how the sky lantern is released. So here you can see me standing alongside the sky lantern, which will be released with my wish written on it. So here it goes, the lantern with my wish. After that activity, now we'll be heading to our last stop of the tour.
Go to the first floor so you can try all the sample I mentioned before. Okay. 所以哈，所有那他送去那个烤箱烤的时候，我们就到1楼啦。Because
So now heading to a food company where we can actually taste different pastries, especially the pineapple pastry, and also there is a DIY, do it yourself, where they train us to make the pineapple pastry. Quite interesting, so let's do that. This was also included in our tour. So these are the different pastries and cakes that they sell. In Taiwan, pineapple pastry is iconic and very famous. So this is a DIY table where we are made to sit and watch a video of the tutorial as to how to make the pastry. This is how I made it, and the baking in the oven will take about 30 minutes. So in the meantime we are just taking a stroll in their shop where a lot of items are up for sale, like cookies, chocolates, pastries, etc. We also tasted a variety of pastries for free, like this is one of them. This is a pineapple pastry, pretty yum.
Individual pack, inside 10 pieces, individual pack.
So most of the pastries and cakes over here contain egg. There was only one variety which was not having egg. If you are interested to know about it. This was the one without egg. Here there is a display of the crockery items that are used to bake the pastries, and here it is, the box containing the pastry that I made, the pineapple pastry.
You are too old because this is
So after a day long tour of about 8 to 9 hours, we are back at the Taipei main station. That's the Taipei main station building. It's about 6:45 p.m. in the evening. So it was a pretty good tour, though it was raining almost all the day. Right now the rain has stopped and I'm on the way to my hotel, which is just about 5 minutes walk. That's the Cosmos Hotel building. So I need to just cross over to the other side of the street using this footover bridge. So I'm back at my hotel. It's the Cosmos Hotel, and there are some shops over here inside too. There's a pineapple cake available here too. And I just ordered from Uber Eats. Ordered some tomato fried rice and some Taiwanese pancake and omelette. This pancake has sweet pumpkin inside it, and that's the tomato fried rice. Overall, it was very delicious and I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, folks, and see you in the next one. Take care.